Hello, friend. Welcome back to the channel. Hello to all the new subscribers. The previous subscribers, we appreciate you greatly. I'm going to ask each of you to make sure that you recheck your subscription. I've been going through some challenges with YouTube lately, and please make sure that you like videos, make sure that they have not unsubscribed you, and share these videos with your friend. Thank you. Today, we're going to explore Siesta Key Beach. Okay, they've rebranded this beach by the name of Siesta Beach. When I was working in this area, and that's east of Sarasota, this beach has been named the best beach in America anywhere from 2 to 4 years. And I consider it at least the best beach in Florida. I am a beach aficionado. I do go to a lot of the different beaches. And one of the reasons I like Siesta Key is because of the width of the beach, the color of the sand, the texture of the sand. It's almost as if it's powder. That day that I went, it had rained really heavy, which is a little new for Florida, a heavy rain. So the sand was a little packed together. But nevertheless, being that it's in the Gulf of Mexico, on the west side of the peninsula of Florida, the surf is not as rough as it is on the east side in the Miami, South Florida area. But sometimes the hues of the water is a little different because the water is not as deep. So, as I share raw video, mistakes may happen, but nevertheless, I'm basically sharing. Stay to the end, and I will share what the next few beaches are that I'm going to want to feature. On a Thursday morning, you can tell there's a different type of beachgoer on this Gulf Coast, west coast of Florida beach than the ones that you would see in the southeast or the Miami Beach area. You have a great population from the northwest United States and the other states. You have a large number of retirees, and in terms of age demographics, you may have a slightly more mature age demographics. We will go down to the shoreline, and then as early this morning, we saw where the waves was a bit rough. I'm going to look at the clarity of this water. The clarity of this water is going to be a bit different from the water you would see in South Florida, Southeast Florida.
One, because it comes from the Gulf. The Gulf is going to be more shallow than the Atlantic Ocean. So for those that go in the water, that may be a selling point. I've always talked about the sand here. You can see the sand is almost like talcum powder. So again, it's 11:30. I'm wondering if this is still part of spring break activity. Okay, so if the sun is there, then let's walk in this direction. Streaks in the clouds. I'm looking at the distance of the lighthouse, not the lighthouse, but the guard's house, and this guardhouse. Maybe a city block. In Miami, they definitely are city blocks, Miami Beach. As you can see, the elevation is a gradual sloping off here, where you can go out. You may be, I'm going to say, close to 300 feet, which is 100 yards out, and you still can stand up. The red flag, what does that indicate? No problem. As I walk, you can hear some of the music in the background. As you know, I've been getting dinged by YouTube in terms of copyright. So, hopefully, I didn't stay in the area where the music was that long. But if I did, and if you're watching this, if there is a mute or pause, that's because of the potential copyright.
We're not any good.
Let's see what got this lifeguard out. These people are a little too far out. I'm not sure if he has gotten our attention to the point that they're coming back in. Yeah, they are coming in a little bit. So, okay. I could do this all day, but I'm going to pause for now. An example again of the sand. I think it's the finest Florida sand. It's almost like powder. We may be, I'm gonna say 2 football fields away, so 600 feet away. And notice you don't hear much of the ambient noise from the waves. So as we get a little further away, again, it's going to become quieter. It's good to see young people enjoying the outdoors and the athletic activity. These feel right at home. It's good to see these condos. For me, this was the original landmark of the parking lot. One of the advantages of being here is parking is free. Many beaches use, and that is the patterns or the colors of the sidewalk. I first experienced that in Rio de Janeiro at Copacabana Beach, at different colors or different patterns than at Ipanema Beach. So let's take it in one last time. Looking at someone that can bless. morning there was a large line at the
Thanks for
Robinson
staying to
Park.
the end. What are your thoughts of Siesta Key or Siesta Beach and its nice little town? It appears to be quaint, but it is quickly developing. Being that I'm on the west side of Florida, in the Gulf region, a couple other beaches that I liked on this side were Clearwater Beach and St. Pete Beach. Stay tuned. I will be uploading video of those two beaches soon. Thanks again for staying to the end. Again, subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you soon.